I'm getting ready to glue the slats for this tambour. These slats are upside down. Here's one, and the others, this is the side that's down with the veneer and then the stringing that's on the edge. There's alternating black and white, and also two different veneers alternating on these slats. There are about 44 of them, and I'm using these little wedges to snug this up. All these butted up together, and then I have some wax paper around these pieces on the end so that I don't end up gluing stuff that I don't want to glue. Now this is the canvas. It's a linen cotton mixture, kind of heavy, and I need to center this about a ½ an inch off the top and a ½ an inch off the bottom, and glue it to all these slats. There's a veneer hammer here that I'll use to help fasten that down. I'm leaving some extra material at the ends. I need a little bit of extra to attach to the handle that goes on the tambour. But this end will be cut off flush. So I think I'm ready to go here, and I've got the hot hide glue and a paintbrush here. It's probably on the thicker, yeah, it's I think a good consistency right now. And I'm not going to try to do the whole thing at once. I want to do this in about 3 or 4 stages, because this hot hide glue sets up quickly, and I can't do the whole thing at once. So I'm going to start here, and I'll paint the glue on about this many at first. And let's see if I can go ahead and start this, and I need to go at least that far, so I'll just press that down, and now I will use the veneer hammer, and I can squeeze that out. Now, maybe you can't see the squeeze out, but I'm going right up to that edge there. Wow, that's quite a bit of squeeze out up there. Maybe I put a little bit more than I needed to on there. The advantage of this hot-hide glue is that it tacks quickly. But I'll leave it overnight for drying. Okay, I'm going to now pull this back a little bit, and I'm going to pull it back where it's stuck. I'm going to pull it back about an inch maybe. It's already stuck and I'm having to force it back because I want to have fresh glue at that border place. Okay, I'll just get the next stage here. I'm a little bit close here. I may have to trim that off. And now let's squeeze out again. Okay, I'm ready for the next row. Oops, this has come apart on me. That's not good, because now I got to make sure that the pattern is correct and not messed up. So there's a white one and there's a black one. That black is against the white, and this white is against that black. Yeah, that's okay. I think that's good enough. Let me pull this back and redo the glue here. Let's see here. Well, that's about it then. That's about as flat as I can get it here. I think it's all stuck. So tomorrow we'll get a good look at that. I'll have to clean up quite a bit of glue, squeeze out and I may trim down here because the end of these slats go in a groove, and I don't want the backing, canvas backing, to be in the groove at all. So I'll have to trim that slightly, get rid of all that glue. In fact, I'm gonna wipe off some of these clots of glue that are squeezed out there before it hardens.